Want to make money online in 2026 but don't know where to start? The truth is, normal jobs are getting more competitive, but digital skills are creating huge opportunities. In this video, I'll show you 5 high-income skills that can help you earn online, even if you're starting from zero. Number 1 is AI automation. Businesses are using AI tools to save time and reduce costs. You can help companies automate content creation, emails, customer support, and workflows using tools like OpenAI, ChatGPT, Zapier, and Make. Many freelancers charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars for AI automation setups. This skill is growing fast right now. Number 2 is video editing. Short-form content is exploding on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Creators and businesses always need editors. Learn tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut, or DaVinci Resolve. Good editors can make serious money monthly. Number 3 is freelance digital marketing. Businesses need help running ads, growing social media pages, and getting more customers. You can offer services like Facebook ads, SEO, email marketing, and social media management. Clients often pay monthly retainers. Number 4 is YouTube automation. Create faceless YouTube channels using AI scripts, AI voiceovers, and stock videos. Popular niches include finance, facts, AI tools, and motivation. Once your channel grows, you can earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 5 is content creation combined with Shopify. Create viral short videos to promote products. Then sell products through your Shopify store. Many people are making money using TikTok organic marketing and Instagram Reels traffic. The biggest mistake people make is trying too many things at once.